Hi there. My name is Lakran. So I'm just going to show you, um, how to do that. I've already written, the explanation, instruction, and everything. However, maybe creating a video might help you. So I'm just going to show you just quickly. Okay, hopefully within like the next maybe 10-15 minutes. Now, okay. So first of all, just pay attention to this. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, pay attention to this section, not any of that I'm going to explain to you, so just pay attention to these. So what I'm looking for at the moment, we do have a website. So this is our website. So we sell electronic items, electronic products, and recently I have came across some statistics and have done some testing. Having a plain image like this on a website is less effective rather than having something like this, so you have some sort of attractiveness on this image. So what I want you to do, create these kind of images. So this is the job basically. So you would have a list of products. You need to get the image from the Google and then put in a template, and then create these kind of beautiful images, for the products. So so the skills that you need, you need to have a good experience in probably Photoshop or any other photo editing application, as well as a good eye. Like you need to be able to understand what is the requirements in a more artistic way, like more like an artist, because having like look at this image. So if you look at this image, it's like, take like this particular image, okay, not this one, but this one. So even though hard drive is cut it from it's just a half, but it's look nice. So it's just a little art kind of a thing. So it's just having this a round circle there, and having this big fonts, and then having those, so, it's kind of like an art. So that's one of the main thing that you need to have. So so if you have done this kind of projects, like creating, if you're a graphic designer, or if you have done designing on Photoshop, and if you have good skills on that side, this job is will be very well suited. And to make things very, very clear and easier, I have made templates for you, so you can follow exactly the same template, because I'm not good in Photoshop or any other image editing. So the only thing that I know is PowerPoint. So I've made some templates, and which I'm going to explain to you in a minute. So that's pretty much the requirement. So you have list of products, so you need to create these kind of images. So these kind of images on individual products. So we have around I think 671 products. Yes, bear with me. Yep. Okay, 671 products we have. So these are that kind of images that you need to create. So now I'm gonna jump in quickly to show you, because not gonna take much time to explain this. So that's pretty much it. And so let's go to jumping to instructions. Now, picking images from Google Images, these might be quite you're probably quite familiar, but however, I'm just gonna make sure we both are in the same picture. It should be it should not be a blurred or less clear a product image. For example, when you go to Google Images, so let's say HP DB6000 text. I'm just okay, let's do this example. So let's do the first example. Let's put that thing in here, and as you can see, when you get images, there are certain things that you need to pay attention to. Now, as you can see, please avoid images that have the logos or any sort of a drawing here. Try to pick image that has at least 400 by 400 pixels, and without any background, like has to be a white background. So like these ones we cannot use that, or this one cannot use that. So you know, that kind of a thing. So basically try to pick something that does not have you know, any drawing or watermark or any different color background. So in order to do that, maybe you can have a size you can pick here as a medium, and that way at least you're going to get some higher resolution than low resolution. And the other important thing you need to pay attention to, basically, you know, these images, when you're picking the images, try to look like an angle. So that's the next point. See, most common look like familiar product. Okay, so this, what does this mean? So this part is already we covered that up. So the blur means something like take like maybe this guy. Let's have a look at it. So it's look okay, you know, it's 600 by 726. It's look okay, as you can see, but it's a little bit cut from this side, so it's not a good picture. However, it's look okay, as you can see. It's maybe when I upload the video to YouTube, you know, because of my video recording application is not recording in HD, maybe it might look for you like when you're watching this video, maybe look a little bit blurry. However, for me, when I'm looking at it right now, it's look clearer for me. So just pay attention to that. Yeah, so that's the first point. The second one, see, common look like. Okay, so what does it mean here? So sometimes when you're searching for a product, you know, you get familiar with it. So not for the chargers, like when you look at batteries, some batteries you might find batteries that are different shape. To give you an idea, like not for the charger, that point, it's going to be applicable for batteries mainly. So if you look at this one, you know, you kind of get kind of a shape here. So this is kind of like you can find different shapes, as you can see. You have one shape here, one shape here, you have different shapes here. So it's like a big one. So try to you know skim it here and see which kind of a which is the popular one. And if you're confused, try to go to search, Google search, and see if the model is correct. And if you still have a confusion, just let me know. Mark that product here, like in a somewhere you can put a note here, and then you can ask me. So that's what one thing that you might you know fall into. Like this shape is different than this shape, and this shape is different than this shape. So which one to pick, you know? So that's the point. So if you have any, in that case, what you can do, look for in this example, look for what is repeating many times. So this shape looks like repeating many times, like as you can see, this one is repeated many times. So you know, I can come to a conclusion, even this one is repeating so time, but you know, because I know about this product, it's actually that this one is correct. But how you're going to find that out is basically try to, you know, scroll it down and see what's the familiarity, like what's the similar shapes. So I'm gonna give you another one like this one. It's pretty straightforward. There's no other shapes. It's straight away. That's pretty much it. And yeah, so I'm gonna jump into the next point. Pay attention to image angle. Okay, this one is very important. The reason why I'm saying that, when you're picking images from Google Images, make sure to pick images that have a good image angle. Angle mean, like if you look at this one, the angle, it goes from like tilted towards like not towards the screen, from inwards. So try to pick images that, you know, like showing front, something like let me just, like this one. But obviously this one has a bad background, so but this one it's very parallel to your screen. Like this one should be alright. It's not that but it's a less resolution. That's a different model. Let's pick the mediums, the size. Sorry. Let's pick the size into medium. At least we're all gonna eliminate the bad ones. Yeah, so like this one should be alright. So it's not tilted much, as you can see. It's not tilted more, but this one is tilted more. Like if you look at this edge and this one, it's like it goes further inside from the screen. The reason why I'm saying this, when you want to pick images, it should look like this, you know. See, it's not that tilted, even though this images look tilted. Try to pick images that like this. See, there's not a big tilted towards to the screen. So that's what that, and then, you know, like as you can see, this is a blurry picture than this one, so try to pick the best quality clarity picture. And in this example, this would be the best picture, because it's a good resolution, as well as you know, it's a good angle. Moving on to the next one, pay attention to product connector. Please don't pick images that don't show. Okay, so this one, it's applicable mainly to chargers. So when you're picking chargers, try to find try to basically to get the image with the connector. You need to keep in your mind to get the connector, like take like, okay, let's keep it medium now, and also try to get one with the you know, like a HP logo. If it's a HP brand, try to get it with HP. And also, more importantly, you need to have some description, not like this one. So this one, it's facing other side, so it has to be like this side, basically like this one. As you can see, it's a HP logo. You have some description here. You can cut this off here in the image, because it's a look good image. You can take this off, and you can take this part only. You can take that, and or you can just, you know, scroll it further like this one. So this will be a perfect image. So as you can see, you can see the tip, which is this one, connector, and you can see a HP logo, as well as it's very clear. The reason I'm saying this, if you don't pick like the image here with a tip, customers won't see the tip. They wanted to see the tip of the charger in order to make sure that it's the correct one. Imagine you find something like this. For instance, let me look one image without having a tip. It's all showing the tip. Okay, it seems like this one, maybe. See this one? You can't see the charger, the tip. You can see the cable, but then you don't know what kind of a tip the charger has. So you need to pay attention to that, and also look for a HP brand. Like these ones, it's not HP's, like you can see from the picture itself the replacement, and also you have a power cord in middle. So you need this charger, not the power cord. It's a two products here, so you need to find individual one. In this example, this will be a perfect one, because it's very clear picture. It has HP logo, and you can find the tip. So that's that point. Avoid watermark and other drawings, you know, as I said to you before. Pay attention to, like this one has a drawing, so you know you don't need that. If you can't find anything, and if you find any good picture with HP but then there's a drawing, obviously you can just delete that part and then just, you know, touch it up, that section. But mainly, like, try not to avoid try to avoid watermark and, you know, trademark and stuff. And this kind of images, it's kind of a bad, because you can see it's taken from someone like left it on a floor, or maybe took a picture like that. And also there's a two products here. It's a power cord and a charger. What we need is just the charger only. So always pick the product only, not any other thing attached to it. Even though it comes together, you know, it doesn't make any difference. Like this one, it's again, it's not clearer. It's you know, you need to see this section is blur, and also it's a little bit dark. This side, it has to be like white, pure white kind of a thing. Yeah, so that's that point. I hope, you know, because with your past experience, probably if you have done a similar job like that, you know what I'm talking about. so as I said to you here, if you can't find anything that is consistent means the similar shape, similar look, and then just look for the Google search and make sure that the model number is correct. If you still have confusion, just mark that product and let me know. Yeah. And during editing, so try to keep images large as possible. Larger is better. The reason why I'm saying that, if you look at final, I'm just going to show you an example of if you look at this one, this is kind of a final product. Okay, so you can see the picture, you can see the charger very clearly, big, and then try to keep the product as much bigger and possible, because that way you can customer can see a lot more clarity and then better. So that's that. So if I show you some examples like these ones, so as you can see, the picture is the product is visible, and like as you can see, like see this one is the product is big, and then every slide you can see this is the template I'm going to explain to you. Okay, just shortly. Try to keep the product big. Okay. Okay, for the purpose of me creating this template, I kept a border, but our final product should not have any borders. It has to be white, like this one. So as you can see, there's no borders, it's just the white one. So I just put as example here. I'll be attaching an example as well. So that's that. Make sure to save the amount with every product. Okay, make sure to change. Okay, you need to change this. All right. Okay. So I'm just going now a little bit deeper into the concept here. So these are I've covered the basic ones. So here, try to pay attention. Okay. So each product that you find here. Okay. So each product we find here, we have different qualities. So think like this is an adapter. Even though it's a one particular product, it has a different qualities. Take like this way. Think like you're buying a car tire. Okay, the car tire size is, let's say, a 16-inch size of car tire, but you can find from different qualities. You have thick tire, you have maybe high quality tire, you have a low quality, like that. So each individual product have different qualities. That's why you can find here. So these are the 4 qualities. So the 4 qualities means you need to create 4 images, and each quality comes with a unique template. So what you have to do, so take this example. So this is one example. I have done one example, which is this adapter. I put this here. As you can see, keep this everything standard. Okay, you don't have to change any of that. I have even made this what font you need to use. You need to create this section. So let me just tell you something. Okay, so all you have to do here, just create 11 templates. You have to just create 11 templates, because you have not necessarily 11 templates. You have to create approximately 6 templates. So once you made the 6 templates, all you have to do is just find the image and just paste it here, and just do the change on the price, the save section. That's it. So the templates are, so this is one template. This is for charger, and there is another template for a battery. As you can see, there are slightly different thing happening here, and this is again is a charger, and this is another battery. It's a similar, once you download this template explanation sent Upwork file, you can understand this is a similar template being used, and only thing is slightly change certain things. So if you made just 6 templates, that's the only thing you need to worry about maybe 6 to 5 templates gonna cover entire a spectrum of different the qualities. So these are the different categories. So these are the categories. So you can say categories here. So these are the categories. We have 11 categories here. However, all you have to make about 5 to 6 templates, because same templates can be used for other categories as well. So I'm just going to jump in here. So as I said to you before about tires, 4 types of tires we have. Like, I'll give you an example. So there are 4 types of tires available. So exactly the same way with the charger that we are going to sell with this individual product, there are 4 qualities. So 4 qualities, you need to create 4 different images. Okay, and that will be like this. So this one, once you made this, and then once you made this template, and that's it. So this template is fixed. So when you're moving to the next product, obviously you will be using the same template, except the image will be different, and then this thing and this thing and all of these will be stay remaining, except it's changing a little price. That's it. So let me just see my timing. Wow, it's 20 minutes so far. Yeah, so and this is one quality. So these are the types of qualities you can find. So this is a regular adapter. As you can see, this is a category of regular adapter. So when you go to regular adapter, you can find 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you can find 4 categories. That's why it says 4 qualities. Sorry, not categories, my mistake. Qualities. This is categories, which is qualities. So these are the categories. Sorry, these are the categories. These are the categories. These are the qualities. So as you can see, a regular adapter has 4 categories. Regular battery has 4 regular adapter has 4 qualities. Regular batteries has 4 qualities. As you can see here, I have put it here. So how many images you need to create for each product or each category. So some categories you need to create 3, some of them 2, some of them just 4, and each and every category I have made a template for each of them. However, as I said to you before, you don't have to create each and every template. If you make 5 templates, you can use that template for all other products. So here, as you can see here, this is one template for this one, the one product. Okay, this is one product. The quality is this one. Now we are looking at this product. Quality number quality is this one. So we are writing this. So think about this way. So this is the 16-inch car tire, but low quality charger, but low quality tire, and this is same 16-inch with 16-inch the tire, however different quality. This is a high quality and this is original, something like that. So I hope you understand this. So if you're confused, obviously we can discuss again. So this particular product has 4 different qualities. So these are the qualities, and each and every quality have a different template you need to use. So that's what it is. So if once you made a template for this regular adapter, that's it. So you made 4 templates here, and that templates will be used for all the regular adapters. So you don't have to do anything else. Not only that, the regular adapter template will be used on other other products as well. You can see it because I have named them individually, so you can find that out on the explanation Word document. So here, as you can see, 6 months. As you can see here, 6 months. 6 months warranty. You can see there. Yeah. Let me make this way. Yeah. So as you can see, 6 months warranty is there, and then moving into the next one, you have 9 months warranty, and then this one. When you come to this one, 1 year warranty, high quality, you have to add this free delivery tag as well. You need to create, I have a PNG format free delivery image that I made from PowerPoint, but please create a one from Photoshop because it's not look nice. if you zoom, if you make it large, it's a little bit blurry because of PowerPoint, maybe the quality of output images. You need to create that. So everything I have written here, what are the things you need to pay attention to. Again, when you move to the next one, and then keep these exactly as it is, so you don't have to do anything like that. The only thing you need to pay attention to the image as well as the price. So how do you know the price? Well, it's a random thing, so it means nothing here. It's just to give you a customer some sort of a marketing term. So you don't have to worry about this price. How much do I have to calculate something? No, it just top of your head, just put a number. Everything, whatever the data range that you need to change, it will be there in each and every category. If you go to this one, you can put any number between 25 to 40, which means here you can put 26, you can put 29, 30, any number in between this data range. So if you go to each and every category, there is a range here, 15 to 45. I have made that, so you can pick any number, 20 to 60. So you can pick any number and then put it here. So there's no mathematical calculation or algorithms or anything like that. It's just a random number. 25 minutes. Wow. So it's getting a bit long. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I have explained that here. The other important thing is place warranty and free delivery sticker whenever appropriate and look better. Avoid placing any sticker on the product criteria critical area, for example brand name, logo, charger tip or battery connector, etc. Okay, so what that means is this is what you if you have a good background on creating these kind of images, you know where to put these things. For example, let me just knocking out with this one. So if you look at this template, this free delivery, if you put it here, it's not really look nice. It's actually blocking the product. If you put it here, these are like a critical area. This is a battery connector. If you just cover that up, it actually doesn't make any sense. People wanted to see that. The same example, if you look at charger, people wanted to see this little tip, so you just put it there. Obviously people can't see it, so you can just change based on the image. You can just move around and then make sure to not to avoid and not to keep it like that or maybe like that. Like even this image, you can move this as well. If you find a charger that orientation is this way, you can lower this down. You can lower this down this way to wherever fit, but keep it onto the border. But you can move around like this one you have. See, I lower that down, and this one has a higher font than the charger, and then that's also you need to pay attention to. Moving on faster, I think I have a 30 minutes limitation in my video recording software. Let me just try to finish it off quickly, and then this is the saving part. All images must be in JPEG format. I'm sure you know about this basic stuff. Has to be very good quality when you're doing in PowerPoint. When you're doing in Photoshop, it looks better. It should be less than 200 kilobytes. Try to keep it low as possible. Should be without borders, as I said. When you save images, name images, adding compatible. Okay, so this part. So this one you might understand when you read it, when you're reading it. So if you look at this one, as I said to you, this particular product has four different qualities. So each and every image that you're going to create 4 images for this particular product. Okay, so you need to save those images in a different names. So you can, this is the image format name, so you say image name format. So this one, it's that format you need to use. So as you can see, like .jpeg, like this is the So this is the usual format. However, you are not only creating one image, you're creating 4 images for this particular image. So what you do, you need to rename the image based on what the quality is. So make sure to keep those underscores, so that will be a right image format, because we will be uploading this in bulk into the website. So I have 30 seconds. Yeah, so think about this way. So this is the actual product, and then you have to have the quality. So you have 4 qualities. Yeah, so compatible, replacement, this and that, and that's what I have here. I have kept here as example. So yeah, so I'm gonna end the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.